Hello guys, me I'm Bo the Thais here again. Today I will come to pick my it's called it fall already. It's called custard apple or someone they call cherry moya. For me I like to call custard apple because it's easy to pronunciation. Perfect time to harvest. This you can eat right now. This fruit is some people they said it's like the shape is like a cone shape or heart shape. How you can know that they old enough and they the perfect time to harvest? You can look in the skin. They have a big space like a white color area can see clearly, and you come to push if a little bit soft, it means the perfect time for eating. So I will show you inside. It's a perfect time. You see? Wow! This fruit they similar to tropical fruit which are banana or pineapple, and inside the meat is creamy and the taste is very sweet and have many seeds are there inside. This seed you can take to propagation. For me, this tree I did not propagation is grow by natural. We just take the seed and we throw out in the garden so it grow by themselves. Okay, I'm gonna show you how we eat. You have to peel the skin out like this. And excuse me, when you eat, you have to don't swallow the seed. You have to take the seed out. So this is the seed it look like. So it have many seeds. And custard apple tree, how to maintain to produce more fruit. After they have done fruit already, I will cut some branch out. So when I'm done eating custard fruit, I will going to cut some branch. So follow me, I will go to cut the branch. This is a custard tree and many trees grow over them. Some branch they have a flower and fruit, so I did not cut. But some they no have, I will cut it. And I don't want the tree to very high. Many trees. You see, some and bitter gourd. I grow many vegetables in the same time. So you leave them have too many leaf, they will not produce many fruit. Thank you guys for keep watching I'm doing today. If you are new here, you can subscribe to support my YouTube channel and have a question and sharing how you grow vegetable, fruit or flower in your area. And I'm sharing how I growing some fruit and how I'm doing with my small garden here. I have to go continue work, so see you next video. Bye bye.